guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's cold, it's wet, it's rainy, I'm injured. It's cold, it's wet, it's raining, I'm injured. But I'm bringing a video to you. Yay. Please subscribe to me. So first of all, before I get started with this video, I want to tell you guys about an awesome company called Case App. My phone case that's on my phone right now is from Case App. And if you're wondering, like, oh my gosh, this is the most beautiful case you've ever seen, it's because I designed it myself. But I did. You can go to caseapp.com and also design a phone case and buy it, and it ships very fast. So go click the link in the description. Customize your own phone case or anything. You can customize your own like iPad case, laptop case. You can customize anything you want. They also have dual protection cases if you're worried about the phone case not being super protective. They have dual protection cases which has 2 layers. Make sure you guys go check out caseapp.com. Also follow them on Instagram. I'll leave their Instagram in the description below. And yeah, this video is an updated how to do an aerial tutorial because my last couple videos were really bad because I was little and stupid, and I'm also little and stupid now, but that's okay. So you guys want to get your aerial, that's great. So you're going to watch this video and you're going to get your aerial because I'm an awesome teacher. Just kidding, that's a lie. All you need is a mat. If you don't have a mat, use the grass, you know, like make it work, girl. You got this, boy. You know, whoever you are, you gotta flip, go with no hands, yes. So let's get right into the video.
What's up, fellow flippin' boys and girls? Today we're going to be getting our aerial. But before we even attempt our aerial, we got to warm up those hips because we don't want to get injured and then it would be my fault, and I don't want that to happen. So we're going to keep you safe and we're going to warm up our middle splits and our hips. So, yeah. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm warming up my middle splits. Super fun. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, okay, so now I'm warming up my wrists because even though we don't use our hands, you're still gonna land on those wrists while you're learning how to do the aerial. So right now I'm warming up my wrists. This is my favorite ways to warm up my wrists. Very effective. Super awesome. Now we're gonna warm up our ankles because no matter what, we're gonna be landing on those ankles, which is super, it's what you have to do, right? And then you gotta warm up whatever else you need to warm up so we can get started. Alright, so the skills that you should have is a cartwheel and a one-handed cartwheel. If you can do both hands, that's ideal. Now here's some drills. We're going to start off with hurdling and then jumping into nothing just so we get the feeling of the cartwheel. So then we're going to hurdle into a cartwheel. We're going to do some dive cartwheels, which is where we keep our hands off the ground for as long as we can. And then we're going to pop cartwheel, which is where you go into your cartwheel and then you lift your hands off the ground at the last moment. Now we're just going to put them both together where you do a pop cartwheel and a dive cartwheel. Okay, so now we're going to fold up our panel mat. If you don't have a panel mat, no worries, it's fine, but this is just another thing that you can do. There's a raised surface, so it helps you be able to flip off of the surface. So first you're going to want to get the feeling of it, so just do some cartwheels off of it. And now you can actually attempt your aerial off of this raised surface. It'll make it a lot easier for the aerial. And then keep, making the panel mat lower and lower until you get it on the ground. So the arms you want to do are not this. That's chicken arms. We don't want to do chicken arms because it's a bad habit. And then, yeah, it's chicken, totally. Okay, you don't want to hold your hands because that can be really dangerous if you need to put your hands down and they're not available. Or put them on your shoulders. That's also a bad habit. Don't do that. That's not very good looking. What you want to do is keep your arms completely straight in between your legs or whatever you want to do. Just keep them straight. So yeah, I hope this video helped you get your aerial.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and check out caseapp.com because, yeah. And if you guys were wondering about my leggings in this video, they're super cool. Oh my god, what even is going on? That's so cool. That's because these are from Ellie Activewear on Instagram. They're a company that you can buy through Instagram or you can buy on their website, which is super cool. You can get, it's like a subscription box. This is really cool. You get a box with activewear and other kind of gifts to your house every month. What else could you ask for? I don't even understand. So make sure you guys go check out Ellie.com, Ellie Activewear, Ellie Instagram. Go check it out. Link in my description. Yeah, love you guys so much. Bye.